Hello, welcome to LA Rosa Blanca Puerto Plata. Living room space offers a welcoming and stylish atmosphere for residents to relax and unwind. The living room boasts a tastefully curated selection of furnishings, including sofa bed and chairs, creating a cozy seating area perfect for intimate conversations or enjoying a good book. The fully equipped Rosa Blanca kitchen boasts modern amenities that cater to your every culinary need. The beautiful main bedroom with a private balcony to enjoy the surrounding views. The bathroom, it features modern fixtures and amenities to cater to your daily needs. With hot water readily available, you can enjoy a refreshing and soothing shower at any time. Second bedroom is a cozy. It features a private balcony, offering a peaceful outdoor area to relax and soak in the ambience. Thanks.